Donald Trump praises Iran's fast and deadly drones, slams U.S. defense costs. U.S. President Donald Trump commended the cost-effectiveness and performance of Iranian drones while criticizing the high prices quoted by American defense contractors. At a press briefing, the U.S. President highlighted the significant disparity in cost between Iranian-produced unmanned aerial vehicles and similar models proposed by U.S. companies. Contrasting Iran's drone production costs of $35,000 to $40,000 with U.S. manufacturers' quotes of $41 million for comparable technology, Donald Trump said, "I asked one of the companies I want a lot of drones, and in the case of Iran, they make a good drone. And it makes them for $3,500 and $40,000. So I say to this company, I want to see they came in 2 weeks later with a drone that cost $41 million. I said that's not what I'm talking about." Donald Trump also called the Iranian drones very good too and fast and deadly. Donald Trump on trade with Iran. In a separate interview, Donald Trump indicated an openness to trade negotiations with Iran, provided they refrain from pursuing nuclear weapons. He said, "Iran wants to trade with us and I'm okay with that," adding, "We make a deal, they'll be very happy. But they're not going to have a nuclear weapon." Swipe left for next video. He also suggested a broader strategy, saying, "I'm using trade to settle scores and to make peace." During his Gulf tour, the U.S. President expressed growing optimism regarding a potential nuclear agreement with Iran, suggesting it could be achieved without military intervention. He said, "We're not going to be making any nuclear dust in Iran. I think we're getting close to maybe doing a deal without having to do this." These remarks reportedly led to a drop in global oil prices. Latest blogs.